Hey there, it's Risham Jain from the Samyak Science Society, and today I'll show you how you can make a hexaflexagon in a few easy steps. Before we get started with the tutorial, I'd like to encourage you to scroll down and hit the subscribe button to encourage us to continue making this type of educational and fun content, and to make sure that you get notified whenever we post a new video like this one. With that, let's get into it. First, let's gather our materials. We will need a printed hexaflexagon sheet, some scissors, and tape. If you have a laminated version of the hexaflexagon sheet, you can trace it out on a blank piece of paper. Otherwise, check the description down below for a template. Start out by cutting the leftmost strip. Cut along the border lines and cut the extra triangle in the bottom left corner. The dashed lines are where we will be making folds in just a second. With our strip cut out, it's time to make some folds. Fold the triangles on top of each other along the dashed lines. Keep folding until you are left with one singular triangle. Then you can unfold it. Now that we have our hexaflexagon strip creased, we're going to make the actual origami folds. Count out 3 triangles on the right side, 1, 2, 3, and then fold them down. Next, count 3 triangles on the left side, 1, 2, 3, and fold those over. Finally, we're going to take this edge and pop it on over the other edge. You should get something that looks like this, where you can count 2 diamond shapes right here, and then an extra diamond shape right here. Finally, take your piece of tape and pop it right on. The next video is going to be on how you can use your hexaflexagon and map out all the different types of patterns related to it. So if you're interested in that video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like down below, and check the description for the link on the next video, which should also pop up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.